Thanks for checking in as we take a look at that national coast-to-coast forecast. We're still tracking Irma as it slides into the southeast. Very heavy rainfall and still some pretty significant winds yet through the afternoon and evening, and also tracking Jose in the Atlantic Basin. Now, this was the view from Marco Island in Florida. This is an area that had a secondary landfall, and at that point it was a Category 3 storm with 115-mile-per-hour winds. You can see what that does. A lot of tree damage, and also in the Sarasota, Florida area. But Irma was such a large storm that we had wide-reaching effects across the entire state. Here's some of the strongest wind gusts, though. Irma up to 142-mile-per-hour wind gusts there in Naples, Marco Island at 130, and Miami International was at 99 miles per hour. So interestingly, Irma made landfall on September 10th, and on the same date in 1960, so did Donna, taking a very similar track from the Keys up towards Naples. So this is Naples. This is a look at the satellite. Again, you can see a very large cloud deck with that. And again, Irma, a very large storm. So you can see the outer band stretching all the way into the Tennessee Valley and the mid-Atlantic states. We actually have a tornado threat for parts of Georgia and South Carolina. There are those tropical storm warnings still in place for the Atlanta metro, and could see those winds gusting up close to 60 miles per hour this afternoon. There goes the track. You can see it really weakening as we head into midweek out near Memphis down to tropical depression status. But the heavy rain continues that through this afternoon, evening, and then eventually by Tuesday to Wednesday, things will really wind down. But through Thursday morning, widespread 2 to 4 inches, even around the Atlanta metro. Peachtree City could see more than 4 inches of rain. And again, as I mentioned, we're still tracking Jose in the Atlantic Basin. Looks like it'll be doing a loop here over the next week, but then making a very close call with the Bahamas as we head into the upcoming weekend. Something we'll keep an eye on.